Our goal in product development and R&D is to help customers to remove the bottlenecks in the shop floor. One other traditional bottleneck areas in the shop floor is machining of small miniature parts. These parts are small in diameter. When they are very small in diameter, the type of cutting tools what you require is completely a different kind of tools as compared to traditional turning, milling, boring, etc. Today, TaeguTec has very extensive range of cutting tools addressing the needs of miniature parts and automat machines. These automat machines are increasingly being used by Indian customers for making various types of parts and mass production industries. So we have right solution. We have both holding solution as well as inserts and grades that are optimized for this application.